Will a bad starter solenoid still click? Our expert agrees. If your starter solenoid is bad, you may hear a clicking sound when you turn the key, or your vehicle may not have any power at all. Check the battery. If the voltage is low, the battery may just need to be charged. Can you fix a starter solenoid? Sometimes the high voltage contacts inside the solenoid can burn, carbon up or stick, resulting in a no-start condition. Replacing the starter solenoid with a new starter does not always have to be done. The solenoid lends itself to repair just like any other component, and savings can be realized by doing so. Does a starter click when it's bad? One of the symptoms of a bad starter is a clicking noise when you turn the key or push the start button. However, a starter can die without making any sound at all, or it may announce its impending death with whirring and grinding noise, so listen up. What happens when starter solenoid goes bad? Problems that might cause your car to act like it has a bad starter solenoid can include bad battery. If the battery voltage is low, it will be unable to provide enough power to start your engine. When this is the case, it may be necessary to replace the entire starter when the solenoid goes bad. Don't forget to subscribe for more of these videos.